Social media virtually guides us in our everyday life, including real estate. Today, Vince Arcuri from Ellie & Associates and attorney Rob Genders are here to explain how to use social media when searching for a new home. Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning. Good morning. Great topic. I mean, I love the opening monologue with Natalie in the red dress to celebrate all of the free agents that the Tampa Bay Buccaneers didn't sign.
He went there. He did it.
So we're excited about the season.
How do you feel about that, Vince?
Yeah, just, you know, come on. I know, man, we've been here since the beginning. So
you have been here since
we're glued to our TV set and then nothing.
Oh, wah, wah, wah. All right, let's get to real estate, what we're really talking about today, and social media.
Absolutely.
Because that is where it's at, right? Online. We've talked about this before. I think most people start searching for their home online before anywhere.
It's amazing. Well, you know, back in the day, how things have changed. 1991, when I first got licensed, people would come into the real estate office to have access to a printed MLS book. And boy, if that book was the Bible, I mean, people were fighting. You know, each office only had a few of them, and things took 30 days. You listed your home, and if you timed it right, you could be in that book 30 days later, which is why open houses were born and whatnot. And the internet changed everything. I mean,
that's ancient history.
Oh, when you look at it today, it's like a dramatic difference where everything is instantaneous, and having the tools to be able to market your properties is paramount, because there's so many, there's thousands of houses. Even with the shortage of inventory that we have, there's thousands of houses that are for sale. How are you going to make your home outshine the other houses that are for sale?
And there are a lot of different tools in social media, but it's about finding the right ones that actually work as well, right? Because just because it's on some social media site or out there somewhere. Correct. You have to make sure you're doing the right marketing.
As doing business development for Title and Abstract, we've got some of those tools. At no cost. Compliant Solutions is a platform we provide the realtors, the sellers, and all the realtors, the buyers and sellers, tools to help them, you know, guide them and expose that property as much as possible over all the social mediums. And it's been working real well. Again, it's a no-cost compliant solution platform. That we provide Ellie & Associates and everybody.
It's an awesome platform because it's
it's got to work.
Absolutely, but the color flyers, I think the days of people just with their black and white copies or whatnot, these are things you can upload right to your printer. For a novice real estate agent, it's tough to get started in this industry. So we try to provide these tools for our newer agents because they don't have the money to go to a professional printer, let's say, but they still can do a good job marketing those properties. So we provide them with a really nice color printer that they're able to upload these and print their flyers.
So you say even print is still, even though we may not be getting the books like we used to, there is still value in print marketing. I
absolutely do think there is the color brochures, color internet, it's all tied together because a lot of times you see something on the internet, you can click it and print it. Now you're carrying it with you as you're looking at properties as a reflection back on a property that you looked at. You're seeing all the color pictures. You remember that property when you're looking at a multitude of houses.
And I think it's all about an emotional connection too. And if a color, you know, a job well done with that, right?
High definition is important. I know you do your farming, you blast out to all the different areas.
Absolutely. And on social media,
it's got to be nice.
The social media does help because, you know, it depends on how many I think a lot of people think it's just how many friends they have on social media. Well, it's how many followers you have that's important. And a lot of people, you have 5,000 friends, but only 200 followers because everybody's on. So it's important to look at your followers to expose these properties.
All right, we're getting the wrap here. What's your take home? What do you want people to understand when it comes to
Well, the main thing I want everybody to understand, there is a major difference in who you list your home with. Some real estate agents just get more for their properties than others. That's a fact. 90% of real estate is still being sold by top 10% of the agents. And, you know, by affiliating with people like Rob that give us the tools to succeed, once again, the take home is if you're a consumer, ask questions to your real estate agent when you're hiring them.
All right, gentlemen, thank you for being here once again. We look forward to seeing you again next week. In the meantime, go Bucks. We do mean that. Check out the website, realtyrant.com, and their number as well.